What fraction does the number line show? Now, what we need to do is find out the fraction between 0 and 1, which fractions on a number line show parts of the distance from 0 to 1. So what we're going to do is first count how many equal jumps it takes us to get from 0 to 1. So that's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 total jumps. Now, if there is 5, and in this case there is, that makes 5 the bottom number of a fraction, your denominator. Now we have to figure out how many jumps it takes us to get to the point on the number line. 1, 2 jumps. So since it's 2 jumps, it's 2/5. So the fraction represented by this number line is 2/5, or 2/5.